Nice.
Big fish there.
Good catch.
This Karban, Iber. He catch nothing in the night.
Wow! Amen! Number 1 sa Japan! Good job! Nice!
And then in the morning, he catch 2 big fish. This Karban, he was hiding.
Oh!
Iber.
Oh my God! Oh, so what can you say about Tanggol?
Tanggol. I wish you will not have hair ever.
Hi! Hello! How are you? Good morning! Ano? Thank you, thank you. I had already. Thanks. There's no secret spot. Wow! Wow! Ano yan? Wow!
Hindi na siya kumakain yan.
Sino?
Quick ang release ko nga.
Ay, gusto ko. Visit ka.
Catch and release ta. Yan.
Akin yan!
Binuhay ko eh.
Akin yan! Catch and eat. Ano masasabi mo sa red snapper mo?
Ha?
Master ever.
Nakachamba lang.
Ay!
Grabe ka naman. Pero,
Yun no?
saan nakakita ng ano?
Yan guys ha! Shut up! Eh, kung nilalabas mo yan eh no?
Ha?